Hi guys, and today I will discuss else if. Previously, I will discuss if statement and if else statement. Today, I will discuss else if, and this is a very interesting topic. And an if statement only true statement is printed. If statement only true statements is printed, and if else true or false statement is printed. True or false statements also printed. Okay, if is the only true statements, only true statement printed, and if else is the only true, not a only true or false, only true, this is a true or false statements also printed. And else if else if is a more than one condition, so many conditions are there in else if, and so many conditions are there. Any one condition is true, that condition inside statement is printed. Okay, any condition inside statement is printed. Okay, inside the statement is printed. And else if is a more than one condition is true, that condition inside statement is printed. And to check it out that practically, and I will write that program practically. I will explain so many topics in previous videos: if else, else, and loop, sorry, object methods, some, and we'll check it out that videos. I will create one project, I will create one package, and I will create one class name is tc00 tc005 if else if public static void, click on public static void enable and finish the class. And I will create some variables. Okay, 12, sorry, I will not writing variable name. Variable name is a12 in b 13 in c 14 int d 15. And let's write its program is else if one. I will check it out the syntax. And first if condition, second else if, third else if, after last else. First of all, I am creating syntax. After syntax, I will create. And a less than b. This is a true statement. And this b less than c. This is also true statement. And c less than d. This is also true statement. And a equal to b. This is a false statement. And I will will create A is A. B. Don't be confused, guys. Well, three statements is a true statement, and which statement printed first? That's the I want that reason. I want that wrong also. And let's do this control S. And first of all, we create four conditions. 1 2 3 4 conditions. This condition, three conditions is true. Why? Because A less than B and 12 is less than 13 is true, and C less than D, 14 less than 15 is a true, and A is equal to B. A equal to B is not true. Only this condition is not true. This condition is not true, and all conditions, one conditions is not true. Some conditions are another. Some conditions are is true. First, first condition is printed. I will check it out. A. A is the first condition. That's the reason is creating first, and I will create a wrong less than A less than B less than B. This time, which condition is printed? This time this printed. Which condition is printed? B. B, because B greater than B is greater than A. That's the reason is creating, and I will see this time which condition is printed. We will comment it wrong all. This time all condition is false. Why? Because I conditions is wrong conditions. This condition is wrong, this condition is wrong, this condition is wrong. That's the reason else is printed. Else statement is a false statement, wrong all. And this time I will create one true statement, and A less than B. A less than B is a true statement. I will only this statement is condition is true, and inside the statement is printed. Okay, don't be confused. D is a printed. This is a simple else if statement. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.